I have the early sketches for my fly fishing net. I've always been wanting to build one of these. I've seen a lot of them around. They go for a lot of money, but I figured why not build one myself. And so here we have the sketches for it. It's a trout fishing net, so I built it to fit a trout inside it. So 9.5 wide by 20 inches long. I figured it was a pretty good length for a trout fishing net. And then here we just have some different ideas as far as handles go. I don't really have too much of an idea of what I really want to do for the inside or the shape of the net yet. So I figured designing a good handle would be a good starting place for that. And so here's just a couple rough ideas for that.
Okay, and then from your sketches, designs, you went over to Mastercam, and then this is going to be the fixture you're going to bend the boards around?
Right, yeah, so this is the Mastercam piece. So I've played around with the curves a little bit on this, and I'm happy with this design right here. So this is going to be about the same dimensions that were on my sketches. So I'm going to build this, going to cut it out, going to cut the inside out first, and then the outside, and then this is what we'll end up bending those boards around with the different strips of wood.
Pulling walnut, pretty similar densities, maybe a little harder. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rip a lot of 3/16 wide strips. Walnut and is it maple?
Yeah.
Alder.
Walnut maple.
Soaked over the weekend, soaked in a piece of PVC pipe. Now we're going to pull it across the jig. Go ahead. I think pull one down at a time. Oh, that came in nice. There's a final net, beautiful with the net in place. Final steps is just building the portfolio to document the process.
Yep.
Walk us through this, Matt.
So what I have right here is basically my website for Heirloom Fishing Nets. So this is going to go over my design process. This page specifically for this net. Here's the net right here, all nice and finished. So it's just kind of walking through what I did each step. It goes from everything from materials to the design and engineering process to actually building the net and getting it all nice and finished.
Oh, beautiful.